Today we would like to give you a 5-minute introduction to SAP data destruction, specifically, how to destroy HR address records. As well as a quick overview of the data destruction process, we will show you that the personnel record can still be displayed in exactly the same way as before, only with the address entries removed. Let's get started. Before we start, we need to check what rules have been set for all HR address records. For this, we go here. The first rule confirms that HR address records may be destroyed from leavers, provided the employee left 10 years ago. The second rule confirms that HR address records may be destroyed from active employees, provided the records are older than 1 year. These rules are typically set to meet business or legal, such as GDPR requirements. Now that we have checked the rules, let's destroy an HR address record. Here we have a typical personnel record that is currently available online. We have chosen this personnel number for the demonstration as it belongs to an active employee with address records that are older than 1 year. This is the typical view that you and your colleagues have of these records. Please keep this view of the address records in mind while we go to the next screen. This screen is where we techies do the actual destruction of this type of HR data. This is not what you or your colleagues will need to see or do. It is a process that is run in the background, invisible to everyone else. There are 2 quick and easy steps. The first step checks if the HR address records adhere to the rules we mentioned earlier. We select a variant that we created earlier, specifically for this personnel number. A quick look at the log from this first step confirms that the address records have been prepared for destruction. The second step then takes those address records that have been prepared in the previous step and destroys them. For this, we need to create a new variant or use an existing variant. A quick look at the logs from this second step confirms that the address records have been destroyed successfully. It includes other details, such as how much data it has deleted and from which HR tables. As you can see, the process is rather easy from a technical point of view, and much of it can be automated. The biggest challenge with managing HR data in this way, usually, is getting the business to agree how long it must be kept online before it can be destroyed. Now that the destruction is complete, let's return to that personnel record. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. The only difference that you and your colleagues will see now is that all the address records older than 1 year have been destroyed. We hope that this brief introduction to destroying HR data has been useful and interesting. Thank you for your time.